Gyal Hojo Tamil Nadu Ngade Udi Na Yube, Zamlin Chune membership Shukange Chilo Nyeton Chubdun Lonesong, Taba Gyal Hojo Balgubizo Chebe Hunzu Dang, Kollegal Jege Mangzo Ge Truden Sogi Chedumik De, Tayu Da Dami Ge Ke Tangbo Pege Sumiyumele, Kege Gokawata Kinyon Be Ngongo Ge Mengab Gyagu Subatar, Taba Shigon Tedag Na Rubzi Chebaina, Ke Gudon Yeme Zamshi Ke Gokawatang, Ke Chikde Zamshi La Kinyon Be Ngongo Ge Mengab Gyagu
Till now, roughly more than 9,000 dogs we have operated. So I can be 100% sure that those 9,000 dogs are vaccinated also. Plus additional, we have done vaccination around 1,000 dogs. There are various diseases which can spread to pet animals and humans also, including rabies. So if you have like uncontrolled population of dogs, then the control of disease is very difficult.
Kongi Joya La Ki Neshi Mangbo She Dadu Sunwe Ki Namla Goba Mase, Mila Ki Nyumbe Neshi Tsunbe Ki Neshi Mangbo She, Goba Tene Ki Tangbo Pege Zugyo Tangzi Motuba Ti Wange, Nem Kagyo Nyenga Yoba Suna Chong, Leshi Di Na Chungne Memba Nige Neti Lamde O, Mebe Le Ro Ka Jigdan Ki Jusun Chigen Ruga Je, Kyo Mi Tang Chu Yeme Tsam Chige Da Yu Da Da Me Ge Ki Shakchu Chebe, Ngodup de ki Jusung Ge Toba Tongba Shade, Nin Jama de Shakchu Tang de ki Shakchu Tang Simbanamla, Ta Gebe Jeso Ludu Tangi Baredo.
Whichever dog we operate, we give a mark that ear is notched. So if you personally roam around the area of Bylakuppe, you will find 80 to 90% dogs with that mark. So that means the dogs are already operated.
Kongi Joya La Taba Bylakuppe Shikon Gina Ki Gacha Geju Ne Gubchu Tamshi Shakchu Tang Sin Yubatang. Teda Ginawata Gab Sin Yuba Tongi Yubatata, Gego Ka Sin Yuba Tejuna Chongla, Lojo Pimi Shijaka Geki Leshi Teche, Pegi Geza Tobadan France Na Yube Foundation Brigade Bardo Chege, Rozo Ka Chige Tungyo Na Shubaredula, Legu Teto Tunyen Chenge Mena Shige Sunye Chena, Chedan Legu De Pendo Chumbo Shige Gan Legu Teto Ne, Kepenzu Ba Neshi Gugu Nyanga Yubatang, Ke Shakchu Chegen Da Chedan Chilu Dang, Teshen Ki Zinsun Chedan Je, Lugdun Yime Sogite Tokshe Gongzu Sungna Chungyang, Kenduba Tenzin Changju Lagi Sungna Zo Jizo Ge Trudeng Che, Ke Gokaya Ge Ligu Tene Pendo Chumbo Shube Tejuneng Do.
Kiduzo Dabo Jama Tuneni, Kaukazala, and Kidu Yama Cham, and the Kiduzo Hashi, Kariwala Shorche, and Kirashi Kalamamutidra. And so the Gubakimzi di Shaitan Dita and the Kids of Mountain and Koyolani, Kalamokayata and Labordo, the Koyolani, Kimamutana and the Somatuigi, Dijin, Kanigi, Tene, any Telatene and Azudan, Kishaitan, and Kishaitan, the Zodeni, Tada Remere, and Dela Pashashika Chogomare.
She then Yugna Tenshi Chebe, Zamlin Chune membership Shukan Tene Chilo Nieton Sumlor, Sanzo Nawashimbata, Toba de Zamlin Kyungunang. Gogo Jenge Nyam Tabe Simjan Namla Remake To, Menje Ge Tunjen Tun Shubamase, Chune member Dan Le Rosola Jongda Dugu Tumbe, Legu Demina Zo Shepenagi Varedula, Yan Diga Balgubi Shigogina Doa Dame Ge Ki Sojon Da Menje Chegen, Chegen Nige Tezen Kasum Yubaredu, Gal Hojone Isha Rawalong de Ge Sagyo Ba Pem Tupin.